In this video lecture, I'm going to teach you how to create a multiplication table with a click input from a user. Okay, so I have taught you how to create multiplication table, and I know that you will be like, why am I teaching all about multiplication table? So I want to teach you this new system whereby when a user clicks enter, it will go ahead and print out the next multiplication table for the user. So let's go ahead and say for I equal to range, and that will be from 1 to 10. I believe you've known our teach right now. And go ahead and say print, that means move to the next line. Okay, so there's something I'm going to do here. But before I do that, I'll go ahead and create the nested for loop before I do that. And I'll go ahead and say for k in range, and I, that is for 10 times. That is the when I want to print that. So I will not be accepting input from a user for this. Let's go ahead and say print. I believe you know how to accept input from a user. I can go ahead and join all that letter. So, and I want to say I with a symbol of multiplication. Then k, multiply k with a symbol of equal sign. So you've understood all this. Then I multiply k. How? Look, I multiply k. Go ahead and run this code. And let's print this up. And that says invalid line 1, invalid syntax. So for I in range, wow, for I in range, and run this code again, you can see that everything was printed out, but that is not what I need. So remember the first one, I is 1 to 10, and each of them were printed for 1 to 10, that is why it stopped at 10. Now, I want when the user click enter, it will print the first multiplication table. If you click enter again, it will print the next one without just being printed. If I want to do that, I will ask you to author this code, pause this video, author the code to do that. And if you don't get it, then you watch me do that. So I'll wait for you to do that. Pause this video and try it out. And your time starts now. Okay. So your time ends now. I believe you pause this video and you check it out. So if we got that, let's go ahead and put what is supposed to be. Go ahead and say input. Put input here, and that is all. Let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. Run this code, and nothing was printed out for us. You see that? Now hit enter. Go ahead and hit enter. When you hit enter, you see it's printed out. I hit enter again, the next one printed out. And if I hit enter again, 5 is printed out. If I hit enter again, 6 is printed out. Let's run the code again, and I believe you really understood what's going on, so hit enter. Go ahead and hit enter. 1, printed, hit enter again, 2, enter, 3, enter, 4, enter, 5, enter, 6, enter, 7. So if I hit enter, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, so go ahead and check it out. And if you hear some background noise in this video, I'm truly sorry because I have kids playing around and I'm trying to make sure that I don't get this disturbed. But I'll go ahead and make sure that everything is put in order. So this is all about user inputs and you clicking and printing out the results. Go ahead and check it out and make sure it's working out fine in your own And if you have any question on this video, please use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.